So okay guys, here we have this equation, okay? X squared minus y squared equal to 24. X times y equal to 35. Then we're going to find x plus y, okay? So according to this equation, we may say this is first equation and this is second equation, okay? So from equation 1, okay, so we have x squared minus y squared equal to 24, okay? So this one is the same as a squared minus b squared, and this is equal to a plus b times a minus b. Okay, so we're going to apply this formula to this equation. So we will have x plus y times x minus b equal to 24. So we're going to square both sides, this side and this side, okay? So we'll have x plus y times x minus y, okay? So here it is y. Then we're going to square this one, equal to 24 squared, okay? So and this will be equal to x plus y squared times x minus y squared equal to 24 squared. Then here we have this and this, okay? And this equal to a plus b squared, and which gives us a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And this one will be equal to a minus b squared equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, okay? So we're going to apply these formulas in this equation, okay? So we'll have x squared plus 2ab plus b squared times x squared minus 2ab plus b squared, which is equal to 24 squared, okay? So from equation 2, we have x times y, which is equal to 35, okay? Then we're going to replace this value in this equation, but here it is x, y, and here it is x and y. So to make it clear, let's rewrite it here, okay? So we have x squared plus 2xy plus b squared times x squared minus 2ab 2xy plus y squared, okay? And here it is y squared, okay? So it is equal to 24, okay, squared, and we're going to replace the value of xy in this equation, okay? So we'll have x squared plus 2 times 35, okay, because x and y equal to 35, plus y squared, okay, times x squared minus 2 times 35 plus y squared, which is equal to 24 squared, okay. Then here we will have x squared plus 70 plus y squared, okay, times x squared minus 70 plus y squared equal to 24 squared, okay. So we have x squared plus y squared plus 70, okay, times x squared plus y squared minus 70, okay. Then this is the same as a plus b times a minus b, okay. So which is equal to a squared minus b squared, okay. So we're going to apply this formula too, okay. So here we will have a, which is equal to x plus y, okay, both are the square, and b equal to 70, okay. Then here 70 is stand by b, and x squared plus y squared is stand for a, okay. So we'll have x squared plus y squared, okay, square minus 70 square, which is equal to 24 squared, okay. So it will be x squared plus y squared, okay, square again, which it will be equal to 24 square plus 70 square, okay. So x squared plus y squared will be equal to 24 times 24, it will be 16, 6, 1, 4 times 2, it's 8 plus 1, which is 9, 2 times 4, it is 8, 2 times 2, it is 4, so it will be 6, 8 is 17, okay, 71 plus 4, which is 5, okay, it will be 5, 7, 6 plus 49, 00, okay. So x squared plus y squared, which is a square, will be equal to, so it will be 6 plus 0, it is 6, 7 plus 0, it is 7, 5 plus 9, it is 14, which is 4, and 1 plus 4, it is 5, okay. Then we're going to square both sides, okay. So here we have square root of x squared plus y squared, okay, which is square, okay, equal to 5, 4, 7, 6, okay. here we have to put square root on both sides, okay? Then here it is square root 2, okay? So this 2 will cancel this square root, okay? So we remain with x squared plus y squared, okay? Which is equal to 74, okay? So when you put in a calculator this number, you will get this 74, okay? So then we have got this x squared plus y squared, which is equal to 74. So at this point, we're going to back on equation 2, okay? So equation 2 says that x times y equal to 35, okay? And here we have x squared plus y squared, which is equal to 74, okay? So we're going to use the formula says that a plus b squared, which is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, okay? So x plus y squared will be equal to x squared plus y squared plus 2x and y, okay? Then, and x squared plus y squared is equal to 35. So here we will have x squared plus y squared plus 2 times 35 is equal to 74, because x squared plus y squared is equal to 74, okay? Then here we will have x squared plus y squared plus 70 is equal to 74, okay? Then x squared plus y squared is equal to 74 minus 70, okay? So, but because we have seen x squared plus y squared is equal to, according to the square root, we have got plus or negative 74, okay? Then, based on this, here we have two answers, okay? So x squared plus y squared is equal to plus 74, okay? And then x squared plus y squared is equal to negative 74, okay? So this, we're doing this for what? We're doing this to make the approximate answer and the exact answer. So then, based on these answers, we have x plus y, which is squared, is equal to 74 plus 70, okay? So here we have x squared plus y squared, which is equal to 144, okay? And we're going to square both sides, okay? Here we will have x plus y, okay? And this one comes from x plus y both square, okay? So here we're going to square this x and y, and put it in square root, okay? So which will be equal to square root of 144, okay? This square root will cancel these two, okay? And the square root of 144 is 12, okay? Plus or negative 12. So x plus y is equal to plus or negative 12. Then let's say when you have x squared plus y squared, which is equal to 70 minus 74, okay? So x squared plus y squared will be equal to negative 4, okay? And we're going to square both sides, okay? X plus y squared equal to negative 4 in square root, okay? So these two will cancel this square root, okay? We'll have x plus y, which is equal to square root of negative 4, okay? And it will give us x plus y, which is equal to square root of 4 times negative 1, okay? And x plus y, which is equal to square root of 4 is 2. It is 2, and square root of negative 1, it is I, okay? Then here we have positive or negative square root of 2 times I, okay? So, and here we have got two answers, okay? X plus y is equal to 12 when it is positive, or it is negative 12 when it is negative, okay? And x plus y is equal to 2i when it is positive, and it is negative 2i when it is negative, okay? So guys, properly I think this is clear, and this is the final answer of the question we have been started with, where we have x squared plus minus y squared, which is equal to 24, and x times y, which is equal to 35, and we were asked to determine x plus y, which is these answers, okay? So guys, make sure you make follow up for more videos. See you next.